You are nothing. You are nothing but a sappy piece of cloth. You are nothing but an unscrupulous rat. You are nothing but what is in the bottom of the garbage bin. You are nothing but what is in the baby's diaper when them poo-poo. You are not... Alright, done. I will understand. Shoot them like morning and God in the falling. Me not let them man to do the ball. The first man me see me I go card in the running. Right here look like Chapal. The bulletproof look like Chapal. None of them more than nobody. When we are war and a gal war a criminal war. Oh bucklad! War and a gal war a criminal war. Hey, you see me? Me gun them a jackilla, cause I blood them drink, I soon them kill, I call them see no me. Shot murder me coming up next. What is up, guys? It's your boy. Jamaica worst gamer reaction. Water is here. Do this for me, please. Okay, so now that's done. The light is here. The water is here. You know we're gonna react to some fire, literally. Fire! So we're gonna react to some fire now. So it's 𝐂𝐀𝐏𝐿𝐀𝐈𝐂𝐀𝐿𝐀𝐿 featuring Jamie and Dizzee Rascal. Woo! The combination, man. The combination. Is my headphones on? Oh yes, it's on. All right. I couldn't tell if my headphones was on. So, without further delay, actually, guys, let me thank you guys for getting me over 1K sub in 1 month. I appreciate that. 1K. Hold on, it's gonna be fire. Let me take out this out of my head. Cause I know you guys don't normally see my ear. So see my ear, yeah. Me look good though? Yeah, alright. So, let's just jump straight to that one and just do this. Fire me! Let's go.
Fuck your single, that shit's not.
Yeah, when Chip start a song, me have to pause. When Chip start a song, me have to pause. Cause our Chip jump in, Lord God, man. The man say, fuck your single, it is not fire. Let's go.
Fuck your single, that shit's not. Fuck your mixtape, that shit's not. Fuck your album, that shit's not.
Fuck everything, boy, yo. You're cold, you're ice. See ya, ice. You're not fire. You're not fire. You are not fire. Nothing about you is fire. Your single is not fire. Your album is not fire. You are not fire. You're cool. You're wet. You're water. That the man I say. Not me. Big up yourself, Chip.
Every time your head chip drops, touch the mic and ignite that. Grab the ganja and light that. Cut back, man, can't stop that. Water flows if you got that.
Man say every time Chip drop something, a fire. Every time Chip debut something, a fire. Nothing about you and a fire. Something about me, that's what Chip say. Something about me, a fire. What is it about you that is fire? What is it about you that is fire? Nothing. Yo, Chip, you need to behave yourself still, brother. I beg you, behave yourself. I beg you, behave yourself. Don't let me take off me pull over another reaction. Please, my beg you, don't.
We birds when I let go. Fall to the floor when I let go. Fall to the floor like techno. He's alright, not the best though. Clap on site, take the check no. Them men are cool, but who cares?
Man say, yo, he's alright, but not the best. You are alright, but not the best though. You are okay, but not the best. You know when I ask somebody something, so how was it in there? It was okay. Nothing special. Nothing special, my friend. Yeah.
Take no prisoners, let go. Sexy gal on my arm, look. Say no crap when I step, look. Gal on me, tell her ease up. I don't want your chick, she's not.
Man, a sexy girl on my arm. Fire! Sexy. We not walk with no butter ears. We not walk with no buto. We not walk with no rat bat. We not walk with no ugly gal. We not walk with no old lady. The girl with on my arm look fire. No, there's nothing about it. The girl with on my arm look fire. I'm say something else after the fire thing, but more after the girl, but more elaborate on the girl part. Cause you know say I love. Yeah. Yeah, the girl them will love. Matty man fee get fire, cause a pair y'all will love.
Say no crap when I step, look. Gal on me, tell her ease up. I don't want your chick, she's not. Bar for bar, man's overcome. Show your cards, I'm Charizard, you're not.
Woo! Show your cards. Man say yo, I'm Charizard. For those who don't know who Charizard is, Charizard is a Pokemon, a fire Pokemon. Cause you know you have earth, you have water, you have electric, and you have fire and whatever else Pokemon. Me not play Pokemon. But me know about Pokemon. Man say yo, me a Charizard. Fire. Me a the daddy for the fire. Know that. You believe that? I believe so.
Man just aim, man. Man not spray, man. Fuck your single, that shit's not. Fuck your mixtape, that shit's not. Fuck your album, that shit's not.
Yo, Chip. If Chip go on so bad, where's tonight? Jamie and Dizzee. Me wait for them for forward. Fuck.
Time you hear Chip drops. Touch the mic and ignite that. Grab the ganja and light that. Cut back, man can't stop that. Water flows if you got that.
See a feature with my name on.
Here comes Jamie. The man says, serious. See a feature with my... Yo, serious. The man is serious. Yo, Jamie, big up yourself, bro, God. Let me drop it again.
Man can't stop that. Water flows if you got that.
Serious. See a feature with my name on. Fantastic flame on. Spray a million bars and shower man. I'm Mario with a flower man. If I don't like man, he's gone. From NBA Jam man.
Stop! How dare you? How dare you? Jeremy, wait, I'm talking, bro. What is wrong with you? I'm giving you some fire, bro. Wait, no, man.
Got him! Got him!
Man, see how you sing, you see a song with my name on it, you know, say it's gonna be fire, brother. A fire, brother. We not cold over here, brother. We are not fridge. We not North Pole. We not cold, brother. We not winter. You see me? We hotter than hell. We hotter than summer in Egypt. One, two, no. Anything you see over here, fire.
See a feature with my name on. Fantastic flame on. Spray a million bars and shower man. I'm Mario with a flower man.
Spray a million bars and shower man. Me know said this, I gotta go over enough man head, but me can break down the party for you in my own way. Shower Posse. Shower Posse is a notorious gang from Tivoli Garden in Jamaica. Yeah. Shower Posse. Shower. The Shower Posse is reigning in the 80s and the 90s in America. The Shower Posse is them called the Yardie. Them at the starting of the Yardie gangs. The Shower Posse used to just shower them ups with bullets, beer bullet. Brrr. So the man say, yo, listen, shower. The man say, yo, me spray 1,000, I want to say 1,100,000 bars in a minute and shower, man. Shower Posse shower you in a minute with gunshot. I say, that go enough for them reaction, man, your head. Me know that.
Fantastic flame on. Spray a million bars and shower man. I'm Mario with a flower man. If I don't like man, he's gone. From NBA Jam man's been on.
If I don't like man, he's gone. Cut off with your head, my friend. Cut your throat. Off with your head, my friend. Off.
I'm Mario with a flower man. If I don't like man, he's gone. From NBA Jam man's been on. The only time your CD's on is when I dash it in the bun. Kim Jong Un man a nuke 'em.
Man go King Jam, man go politics, man go president, man go the Korea dog. The man they are Korean, St. John Young dog. Kim Jong-un, I see same calling him King Jong-un, King Jong-un, King Jong-pong, King Jong-pong. Big up yourself, King Jong-un, big up yourself.
Only time your CD's on is when I dash it in the bun. Kim Jong Un man a nuke 'em. Dragon with Ken show right you can. Ultra.
Man go old school. cool. Street for you can. Yo, Jenny, be yourself. Be yourself. What's up? Too much fire on that something here. Water. Oh God.
Combo like Cinder, kick scar like Simba, Inter. Try play me, you get flame. Cook daily, you get end man's career.
You got fire. We like that. You got fire.
When I point like Freezer or Alan Sugar, man get cook daily, you get end man's career. When I point like Freezer or Alan Sugar, man.
I mean Freezer from Dragon Ball Z. Him say man get fire when I point like Freezer. Freezer are the man from the villain from Dragon Ball Z. Man get fire like Alan Sugar. You're fired. You are fired. Alan Sugar said that. You are fired. Come on.
Fuck your
this
mixtape, that shit's not. Fuck your album, that shit's not.
Fire.
Every time you hear tip drop,
Fire.
touch the mic and ignite that.
Fire.
Grab the ganja and light that.
Fire. Look at that girl about it. Oh, girl. Oh, your bumper's abroad. Oh my God. Give me your number for putting on my SIM card. Them girl, they are fraud. Play out like record. Baby girl. You're not fucking like dog. You're cutie. You're mixed with Spaniard. Picture me and you are fucking on my granny.
Boy, if you don't get
Alright, let me stop. Yo, listen, people, me have bars. I've got bars. Don't think I chip alone have fire. Me have kind of fire still, but you know.
Man can't stop that. Water flows if you got that.
Went raw back of the yatty and 01. Caught the clap, my things was on. Should've
Ooh, man, what is wrong with that? Dizzee. What? I never hear what Dizzee say because I'm coming and distract me. Dizzee, chill, no brother. Chill, Dizzee.
I can ignite that. Grab the ganja and light that. Cut back, man can't stop that. Water flows if you got
Rascal.
that.
Went raw back of the yatty and 01. Caught the clap, my things was on. Should've
This is a sample, man, you know. This is a sample, man. I don't know what he said just then. People, leave in the comment section what this just said a while ago. Because I'm not here. I'm too busy laughing out. Somebody get fire and them go walk, so. Yo, this is baby bomber clat surf dog. Let's go.
Flows if you got
Rascal.
that.
Went raw back of the yatty and 01. Caught the clap, my things was on. Should've been a rap.
Oh, me get it. Him say, basically, him say, what him do? Catch gonorrhea? That's it mean? Because him say things was on fire.
Rascal. Went raw back of the yatty and 01. Caught the clap, my things was on.
Ain't got the
Should've
clap
been
yet.
a rap, but I acted a prat and I went straight back. Cause that bitch was. Yo,
Okay, me get it. Don't explain it to me now. Don't explain it to me. Him say, in a 2001, him catch STD from somebody. Me don't know who him catch it from. See me? It should have been a rap. It should have been, that's it, finish, over. Me not see you again. Go on a clinic, go on a gynecologist, go on a dentist, go on a hospital, go on a school, go learn. If you not give man fire, go to college, go somewhere, go start out your fire. Where you have it under your foot where you're a shot man. We call it gun in a baggie. You're a shot man, you have gonorrhea in your panty, girl. You're a shot man. That's what the man I said, not me. The man said, listen, in a 2001, me catch the fire. And I was walking like this. That should have been a rap, but me went back again. Dizzee, I say love that girl, yeah? Watch the man, look on Dizzee. Look. Yeah, that guy, I idiot. Dizzee, big up yourself, dog.
clap, my things was on. Should've been a rap, but I acted a prat and I went straight back. Cause that bitch was. Yo, I shouldn't talk like this and the missus is gonna be pissed. I'm playing with a chip.
You know, say the woman rule the horse. Even though it's a song he's doing, even though this is a verse and a song, even though it's a feature, a missus is gonna say, why did you have to write that? Why did you have to say that? Hey? Why did you have to say that? No, let's go and get checked in. Let's go to the thing and get checked in. That checked in or checked? Checked, not checked in. Where you get checked in from?
Oh, way to go. Congratulations on messing this up for me. Congratulations.
I say your English boy, dog. Checked in. Checked. CHEKED. So let me get CHEKETED. Where me get that from? CHECKTE. Left that alone. That's not fire. Left that.
straight back, cause that bitch was. Yeah, I shouldn't talk like this, and the missus is gonna be pissed I'm playing with. A chip just sent me the rhythm is Chris, and it's one big list of everything.
Man say, yo, when Chip sent me the rhythm with Chris, and everything was fire.
Set it off, I just wanna inspire. No, I'm not washed, I still got that. I'm gonna retire and sit by the liar, pants on. Man
say, yo, me I go retire. Man say, yo, me not washed up. Me still have the fire. Remember say, Dizzee out for a number of years now, you know. I'm not washed up. Me still have the fire, so don't get it twisted. So if you want a war, me could start, yes sir. I never come to war. But if you want a war, me could start, yes sir. Me I go retire and sit by the fireplace. That the man I tell you, yo. People, if you never like the reaction, do not like it now. It's too late. The rule was to like it at the start. Alright.
I talk big on the net pure. See him in the flesh, where's all that? Lyrical, physical. Man talk big on the net pure. See him in the flesh, where's all that? Lyrical.
Yeah. Internet bad man. I'm gonna brush you up when I see you. You not do nothing. You have a virgin trigger finger. You not do nothing when you see me in a person. Your trigger finger is a virgin. Never kill a body yet. Never kill a soul. Never kill a fly. Never kill a bird. You are nothing. You are nothing but a sappy piece of cloth. You are nothing but an unscrupulous rat. You are nothing but what is in the bottom of the garbage bin. You are nothing but what is in the baby's diaper when them poo-poo. You are not... Alright, done. That man I said, brother, you are nothing. I don't need...
Physical, whole lot of gas, but minimal.
Fuck your single, that shit's not.
Fire.
Fuck your mixtape, that shit's not.
Fire.
Fuck your album, that shit's not.
Fire.
Every time you hear Chip drops.
Fire.
Touch the mic and ignite that.
Fire.
Grab the ganja and light that.
Fire.
Cut back, man, can't stop that.
Fire.
Water flows if you got that.
Fire. Yo, the mic is on fire, gang. Once again, Chip did it again, brother. Big up Jamie and big up Dizzee Rascal. Yo, this song is fire, dog. This song was fire. People, if you're new around here and it's your first time visiting this channel, please hit that red button. That red button, that one there. The subscribe button, yeah. Please hit that button down there, so see it down there, so see it there. See it down there, so yeah. Hit that button there. Hit that button there for me. And subscribe. Road to 2K, man. What you talking about? What you talking about? So guys, I'll see you guys in the next song. Alright? This song was fire. May enjoy that song, yeah. Chip, big up yourself. Song bad. What time is it? Time to pack up and leave, man. Bye.